Most of us think of IVF as a medical procedure which uses a lot of science and technology to give people a baby, which is true. But it's surprisingly a lot like gambling. You know why? Because the outcome of any given IVF cycle is always going to be uncertain. The future is uncertain, it's unpredictable. No matter how well we do your IVF treatment for you, we're very good at making embryos. But not every embryo becomes a baby because we cannot control the process of implantation inside the uterus. So it's literally like buying a lottery ticket every time. Doesn't sound very reassuring, but that's what the truth is. Because at the end of the day, what patients want is certainty. But false certainty is not very helpful. It's much better to be realistic about your options, to understand that it's a probability game. That sometimes it may take you 2 cycles or 3 cycles before you get pregnant. And that's true. The more the number of cycles you do, the better your chance of getting pregnant. It's like playing roulette. The more the number of chips you bet, or the more the number of times you play, the better your chance of getting pregnant. That's called a cumulative conception rate. Having said all this, you also need to understand that you need to be responsible about this. You cannot keep on doing this cycle after cycle. You need to set a limit. And that's why you need to be well informed. A, you need to have realistic expectations. You need to learn from each cycle. And then you need to decide, okay, I've done enough. You can't afford to go all in. And that's why once you're well informed, you can decide in advance, I will try so many cycles. If it works, great. If it doesn't work, then this is plan B, or this is plan C, which could be donor eggs or donor embryos or adoption or whatever. The important thing is to be well informed, to have an open mind, to use your brain so that you can then listen to your heart and then make the right decision for yourself, rather than get completely carried away and then lose not only valuable time but valuable energy and money as well, and then end up with all your dreams smashed because you did not give it the time and thought which was required.